In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Hide My Email feature within iCloud Plus. If you're looking to keep your personal email address private or just want more control over the information you share, then this feature is perfect for you. Let's delve into how you can set this up smoothly and efficiently. To start off, you'll need to navigate to iCloud through your device's settings. Begin by opening the Settings application on your device, then tap on your name, which you'll find right at the top of the Settings menu. This will take you to your Apple ID section. Next, look for and select iCloud. This sets the stage for all your privacy features and ensures you're in the right space to set up your email privacy controls. Once you're in the iCloud settings, scroll until you find the option labelled Hide My Email. Tap it to proceed. This feature is a part of Apple's initiative to enhance user privacy by allowing you to create random, unique email addresses. These addresses can be used anywhere you'd prefer to keep your real email confidential. It's particularly useful for signing up for newsletters, managing subscriptions, or even while shopping online. In the Hide My Email section, you'll want to tap Create New Address. At this point, Apple will automatically generate a randomized email address that ends with @icloud.com. This address is more than just a barrier. It's your shield from having to disclose your personal email to every service you use. Using this service can help cut down on unwanted emails and potential spam reaching your main inbox. After the new email address is generated, it's time to label it. This helps in organizing which emails are coming from where. For example, you might want to use a label like newsletter or something more specific to the context in which you plan to use it. Once you've decided on a label, simply tap Next and then Done to confirm your new setup. Now every email sent to that newly created address will be seamlessly forwarded to your actual inbox. This way you maintain complete privacy over your personal email without losing access to any essential communications. This setup ensures that only the emails you want are delivered directly to you while your personal email remains shielded. Setting up Hide My Email is a straightforward and incredibly useful tool for managing how and when you share your email information. It adds an extra layer of privacy that brings peace of mind, especially in today's digital world. Give it a try and start experiencing a more controlled online presence today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.